Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss a polynomial. So it containing 5 marks for your annual exam. Right? So before going to the polynomial, we discuss some basic definitions and examples. Okay? The first one, constant. So what is the constant? The symbol having a fixed numerical value is called a constant. The symbol having fixed numerical value is called a constant. So for example, we consider 7, 3, minus 2, 3 by 8. These are the constant, right? So 7, it is a symbol. That symbol we given a name as a 7 and we read as a 7. It is a fixed numerical value. So everybody will read as a 7 only, that one, right? So next definition is the variable. So what is the variable? The symbol which have assigned the different numerical value is known as a variable. The symbol which assign the different numerical value. So for example, we consider circumference of the circle. So C is equal to 2 pi r, right? So here 2 is the constant. Already we learn. Pi is also constant because the pi value is a fixed numerical value, that is 22 by 7. Is it clear? 22 by 7, it is also a constant. But here C and R are the variable. So we assigning the value. So r is the radius of the circle. So we assigning r is a 2 centimeter and we find out circumference. So we will get C is equal to value. So we assigning r is equal to 6 centimeter. Then we will find out the circumference. So we are assigning the value here. So these are the variable. Is it clear? So next we go to the next definition is algebraic expression. So what is algebraic expression? Already we know that constant and the variable. So then next, what is the algebraic expression? The combination of constant and variable connecting by the sum or all operation, multiplication, addition or subtraction is known as a algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? The combination of constant and variable connected by the operations. So here constant and a variable, these are connecting by the operation. Which operation? Addition or subtraction or a multiplication is called as a algebraic expression. So take one example is the 5x cube plus 4x square minus 7xy minus c, right? So here see, constant term is also there, variables is also there, right? They are connecting by addition and subtraction and multiplication. See here 5 and x cube, they are connecting by multiplication, right? And 4 and y square, they are connecting by the multiplication. So multiplication operation is there. And see here 5x square and 4y square, 5x cube and 4y square, they are connecting by addition. Addition operation is there middle. Next see 4y square and 7xy, they are connecting by subtraction symbol, right? So they are connecting the constant and variable, they are connecting by the operation is called as a algebraic algebraic expression. So next one, terms. So what is a terms? The several part of a algebraic expression separated by the addition or subtraction operations. So here separating, in algebraic equation we are connecting, and in a terms we are separating here. So take our example 4xy square minus 3x minus 5. So here the constant is there and variable is also there. It is a algebraic expression, right? So it is, we are separating. It means 4xy square is a one term and another one minus 3x is a another term and minus 5 is a another term. Here totally 3 terms are, we are separating here. So when we are separating and we have to read that negative symbol is there, we have to read minus 3x minus 5 and 4x y square. These are the terms. So next we go to the polynomial. So what is the polynomial? The algebraic expression in which variable involved have only non-negative integral power is called a polynomial. The variable having only non-negative integral power. It means the variable have only whole number. The power must be whole number. So consider one example: 5x x square minus 3x plus 5y cube minus 3, right? So it is an algebraic expression and they have power is there, 2 and 3 are the powers are there, right? So 2 is also whole number, 3 is also whole number, so then it is a polynomial. The power must be whole number. Take another example is there. See, 3x y raised to minus 2, so it is not a polynomial because the power is not a whole number or non-negative integral power. It is not a non-negative integral power. So another one, 2 by x plus 2. 2 by x plus 2. X comes in a numerator, it becomes x raised to minus 1. So minus 1, it is not a whole number. So that's why it is also not a polynomial. Is it clear? So next we discuss degree of the polynomial. So what is the degree of the polynomial? The polynomial in a variable, the highest power of a variable is called a polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. The highest power of a variable is called a degree of the polynomial. For example, consider here 3x cube minus 4x square minus 3x. So it is a algebraic equation and power is a whole number, so it is a polynomial. So it is a polynomial now. Now in a polynomial, check out highest degree. So 3 is there, 2 is there and 1 is there power. So which one is the highest? 3 is the highest. So degree of this polynomial is 3. The degree of this polynomial is 3 because the highest power of a variable is 3. Is it clear? So next, 6 is called as a coefficient of x cube. 6 is called as a coefficient of x cube. And minus 4 is a coefficient of x square. And minus 8 is the coefficient of x. These are 6, minus 4 and minus 8 are the coefficient of x cube, x square, x respectively. Is it clear? They will ask in an examination, write the coefficient of x square. So what is the coefficient of x square? Minus 4. If you write a 4 is a wrong. When is a negative symbol, you have to write a symbol also, minus 4, right? And they also ask degree of the polynomial for 1 marks. Even it is in a SSLC board exam, they will ask, write the degree of the polynomial. So here degree of the polynomial is 3 because the highest power is 3. Is it clear? So next, we classify the polynomial by basis of the degree. So first one, if the degree is a 1, if the polynomial having a degree is a 1 is called a linear polynomial. If a degree is a 1 is called a linear polynomial. Take one example, x plus 1, x square, 2x plus 3, x plus 1, 2x plus 3. So here degree is 1, nothing means 1. Is it clear? And next, if a degree is the 2, then that polynomial called as a quadratic polynomial. Degree is the 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. For example, ax square plus bx plus c. So here highest power, x square is there, x is also there. But which one is the highest? 2 is the highest. So degree of the polynomial is 2. Degree of the polynomial is 2 is, it is a quadratic polynomial, right? So next one, if a degree is the 3, then the polynomial is cubic polynomial. What is cubic polynomial? For example, x cube minus 3x square plus 1. So here highest power is 3. So degree of the polynomial is 3. So if the highest power is a 3, then it is called as a cubic polynomial. So next one, another one, the power is a 4. The degree is the 4. Then it is a biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. For example, x raised to 4 minus 1. So power is a 4 is called a biquadratic. So when degree is the 1 is called a linear, degree is the 2 is called a quadratic, degree is the 3 is called a cubic, if degree is the 4 is called a biquadratic polynomial. Is it clear? So now we classify the polynomial by the basis of terms. Already we know that what is the terms, right? In the basis of term we are classification. So if they have only one term, the polynomial having only one term is called a monomial. Is called a monomial. One term means monomial. For example, 5 is constant also or variable also. 5, 3x or y, these are the one term. So it is called a monomial. If the terms are the 2, then it is called a binomial polynomial. For example, 3 plus 6x or x minus 3y. They have a two terms, 3 plus 6x. Two terms are there. So it is called a binomial. And another one, last one, if three terms are there, then trinomial. So trinomial, what? If the polynomial having a three term is called a trinomial. For example, 2x square plus 4x plus 2. They have a three terms. It is called a trinomial. Right? So today we will discuss the polynomial. So once again we will glance about that. So take one example, 5x square plus 2y plus 9xy plus 4, right? So it is an algebraic expression because they containing constant term and a variable. So what is the constant? The fixed numerical value is called a constant. Variable, the assigning the value is called a variable. So these two are there. So these two are there means it is a algebraic expression by connecting by the symbols. Is by connecting by the operations, right? So it is a algebraic expression. And check out the degree. Degree is 2. It is a whole number. So this algebraic expression having a degree is a whole number. So it is a polynomial. Is it clear? It is a polynomial because the degree is non-negative integral, right? So it is a polynomial. So which polynomial it is? Quadratic polynomial because the degree is 2. So it is a quadratic polynomial. And next one. So if we consider only 5x square, it means it is a monomial. If we consider 5x square plus 2y, it become a binomial because two terms are there. And next one, if we consider 3x square plus 2y plus 9xy is a trinomial. Is it clear? For three terms are there. So trinomial. Last one 4 is there, that is the constant. And what is the coefficient of x square here? 5 is the coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of y? 2 is there. What is the constant? 4. Right? So what is the degree of polynomial? 2. Then which polynomial it is? Quadratic polynomial. Any doubt? So next, tomorrow we will discuss exercise. Have a good day.